And then the second thing I've got here, the second product that we're going to do is once again Dave from the Davies Kitchen. I did his garlic and herb salt, smoked salt, and then also the normal original smoked salt in the previous video. So what I did is I gave Dave,
Okay, Dave, a little
I
bit of
gave
Dave.
Dave some Reaper powders that John from Algebra Farms sent me down. John, thank you so much once again. I mean, I cannot thank you guys enough for all the help from Algebra Farms. John, you and Charlene, amazing. So yeah, I gave Dave some Reaper powders from John Algebra Farms, and I asked Dave to make me a Carolina Reaper smoked salt, which he did. This thing is still sealed. I am so excited to use this.